Lesson 19. Minuet for Bach, page 47. C position with the left hand. Piano and forte, we're going to count to 3. Half note gets 2 counts. Dotted half gets 3 counts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This time with the duet going. A little slower. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. And we're on to page 48 now. Alouetta. Alouetta will have the right hand 2 on C, and the left hand 2 comes down here on G. These notes are going up by steps, C, D, and E. You have a quarter note gets 1 count, half notes gets 2, the dotted half gets 3. We're not going to use the thumbs here at all. So let's see if we can play this one. That's the right hand 2 on middle C. So you want to start with that 2 right there on middle C. The left hand 2 down here on G. Okay. So from the very beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to try it again, same place. My part goes up a lot higher this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that again. 1, 2, ready, play. All right. And we're going to go on to page 49, My Kite. My Kite is back to C position on the left hand, like this. C, D, E, F, G. The right hand is not going to be in C position. It's up a little bit, so your 3 is on G, your 2 is on F, and the thumb is on E. E, F, G. That note's E, that space is F, and that line is G. So you're going to start with your 3 on G, the left hand thumb on this G, which is below middle C. So here we go with the song My Kite. Starts with the right hand 3 right here on G. Ready, play. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Left hand thumb now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left thumb now. This time as a duet, we're going to go 1 octave, that's 1 octave higher, and now another octave, 2 octaves higher, way up here. All right, with the duet from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. 1. Back to the beginning. All right, we're now going to go to the red performance book. Page 18. My Best Friend. Okay. Left hand thumb's going to start this. C position. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Look ahead, look ahead. Now here's the right thumb. Very soft here. Okay, now we're going to go 1 octave higher with both of our hands. 1 octave higher like this. Here we go from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we're going to go on to page 20, Backyard Campout. Same sort of thing, except at the ending here, notice that there's red type there. It says move down, play 1 octave or 8 notes lower than it's written. At the very end, you're here, but then when you see this, you're going to move down to this octave lower. From right here, you go down an octave like that. All right, from the very beginning, here we go. Backyard Campout. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now move down an octave to the left. Okay, we're going to try it again. Same place with the duet going from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're on to the pink piano book, page 36. Fourths. Fourths are going to go line to space or space to line. On the keys, a fourth is a larger skip. You skip 2 keys. So you also skip a line and a space. So here you skip that space D and that line E. Here you skip the line D and the space E. So you skip 2 things on the staff, and then you look at your hand and you say, okay, I'm going to skip 2 things on my fingers. 2 fingers are skipped, 2 keys are skipped. Same thing with the right hand. See that? I'm skipping these 2 fingers. I'm skipping those 2 keys. Or I could go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? That's a fourth. Skips over 2 fingers and 2 keys. Here you skip 2 fingers or 2 keys. So this song, Four Funny Clowns, has fourths and a couple seconds in it. Let's see if we can do that now. Page 36, from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. Left hand 5. Let's try it slower now. 1, 2, ready, play. Up a fourth, down a fourth. These are seconds now. Okay, that's going to be a fourth after you put a break in the slur. These are seconds, aren't they? Now look ahead before you have to play that note. You should be looking at it already. These are fourths. Down a second, up a second, up a second. Down a fourth. Okay, that's page 36. And page 37 is Boogie Beat, which is the same sort of thing. Lots of fourths in there. There's also some thirds, like right here, space to space, line to line. And there's even a second right there, space to line. Seconds, thirds, and fourths. So starting with the 4th finger, there's also ties here as well. So play the first note of the tie and hold it through the duration of the next note. Ready, play. Down a 4th. 2, 3, 4, then down a second, up a third, down a third, down a third, hold, 2, 3, 4. Now here's the left hand 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, back to the beginning. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Down a second, down a third, up a third, up a second. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's Boogie Beat with a duet now. Go an octave higher. Ready, play. 2, 3. that is page 37. And now we're going to go to the technique book, page 11 and 12 in this book here. Page 11, tied score. Ties are there. The ties connect the same note in there. Notice the ties are crossing over the bar lines. The slurs are the longer curved lines, and they connect to different pitches. Ties connect the same pitch. Slurs connect different pitches. So you play the first note of the tie, and you don't strike the key here. You hold it down. You play that note, and you don't strike that key, okay? Let's see if we can do that now. Tied score, page 11. All right, right hand first. 1, 2, ready, play. 1. 1, 2, 3. Now the left thumb plays. 1. 2 hands at the same time, but first we're going to play just one hand. Ready, go. Hold, hold. 1, 2, 3. Now the left hand by itself. Ready, go. Hold, hold. 1, 2, 3. Now both hands at once, a lot slower. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's page 11. On to page 12 now, 4 clowns. 4 crows, all right? So first we'll play the right hand by itself. Ready, play. These are fourths. Now go up a second, then up a fourth here. Okay, look ahead now. You're going to go up a fourth to get to here. And now you got to feel down a second here. 4 to 1 fourths. The same intervals, but different fingers of the left hand. Ready, go. 5 and 2 here. These are fourths. Now after that whole note, go up a second. 4 to 1. Now go up a fourth to here. Down a second. Both hands at once now. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, 3, 4. 2. Next system now. And we're now going to play the performance book, page 18. Popcorn Party. All right. Fourths here, and there are some seconds as well. The whole thing is fourths and seconds. Here we go. From the beginning, starting with the right hand. Ready, play. Up a second, down a fourth, up a fourth. Down by seconds here, and back up by seconds. Down a fourth, up a fourth. Now the left hand 5 plays. These are fourths, 5 to 2. Go up a second, down a fourth, up a fourth. And those are fourths right there. Now here's the right thumb. Left hand. Right thumb. All right, that's page 18.